Hi everybody, this is Dr. Dan, and we are going to be using this Digilent Analog Discovery 3 device as our signal acquisition system in BME 214L. And so we need some software to do it. So it's a little device that does a lot of cool things. So you'll go to the Waveforms link that I gave you in Canvas, and it will take you to this page. And you can see it supports our hardware. To find the software, you're going to go to this link that says latest installers for all operating system. And so I'm going to do that in a second. But before I do that, I'll just mention that this page also has a lot of documentation and tutorials about how to use this thing. So if you ever want to do something that maybe I haven't showed you exactly what to do, there will be a lot of information on this webpage for you. All right, so we're going to go to the latest installers. I have Windows, so I'm going to install it for Windows. Now, it does want you to log in, so we have to make an account. I just made a Google account using my UTexas email, so I think that's fine. You guys can do the same or something like that. And it gives a list of versions we want to install. And so, I have Windows, so I'm going to get the Windows 64-bit. If you have a Mac, that's the version for you. Okay, so it's done downloading, so I can run the installer. And so Microsoft gets really mad because you didn't download it from the Microsoft Store, but I'm going to change that. Okay, so I selected anywhere, and now I should be able to run this program. So we're just going to go through the installer, agree to the terms. You can just go ahead and leave it all on there as required. So I'm doing it for anyone, even though it doesn't really matter. All right, so it does a bunch of stuff, and it says it's ready to install. So I'm going to go ahead and just let it. We'll see if it runs. Okay, so this is what should happen when it comes up, no device detected. So you guys won't have a device when you install the software because you need to install it before you get to lab. But I'm going to go ahead and plug in the device I have. So this will be like when you get to lab. And so you heard the beep, so it feels like it plugged in. I'm going to hit retry. And it still doesn't detect the device. Not unusual. I think what I'm going to have to do is restart the computer. So I'm going to hit OK. It does bring up this like device manager. And so if it were here, it would tell us it's there, but it's not. So, okay, that's fine. We're just going to cancel. Just want to get out. And I'll restart the computer, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. All right, everybody, we're back again. I've restarted my computer completely. And so if I plug in the Analog Discovery 3 device, you can hear Windows knows it plugged in because it made that sound. So I'll just start the Waveforms app. And so now you saw it can see the device. It says down here the Discovery 3. So it has it right there. It's plugged into USB, and so it's currently selected. And so that's good. It means we have our working device, and we can use it to both analyze our circuits and to get the signal from the circuits. All right, so this is what we're going to use in lab, especially when we're making our ECG. And so it's really important you get this software working.